Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. If it's frozen, don't wait. Open Command Prompt as admin, type taskle/f/im-tasker. exe to force stop the hung process and hit Enter. Once done, run Tasker to restart it. If Task Manager still won't launch, kill Explorer. exe with taskle/f/im-explorer. exe. Then start a new Explorer from Task Manager Run or PowerShell Start Process Explorer. exe. This clears UI hangs and freeze resources immediately. Now fix underlying causes. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system file corruption that can freeze Task Manager. If SFC reports issues, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore component store integrity. Once those finish, open Services. MSC. Restart Windows Management Instrumentation and Remote Registry Services because Task Manager depends on system services for data. Make sure to reboot after repairs and monitor CPU and memory tabs to verify the freeze is resolved. Finish by resetting user settings. Open Regedit, delete hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Task Manager to remove corrupted preferences, then log off and back on. If Task Manager is still stuck, create a new local user and test it there to determine if the issue is profile-specific. Make sure to try a system restore or an in-place Windows repair as a last resort to preserve apps. Troubleshooting tip. If fixes fail, check Event Viewer for repeated errors and note exact error codes before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.